Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see the MATLAB implementation of a PV-fed flyback converter using the Perturb and Observe MPPT algorithm. This simulation model is developed to extract maximum power from the photovoltaic array and deliver it effectively to the load through a flyback converter. In this model, we use a 250W solar panel with one series module and one parallel string. The panel operates at a maximum power point voltage of 30. 7V and a maximum power current of 8.11A under standard test conditions. As we know, the PV output varies with changes in irradiation and temperature, so the maximum power point also changes continuously. To track this operating point, we use the conventional P&O MPPT algorithm. The PV voltage and current are measured, and from these values, the instantaneous power is calculated. Then the difference in voltage and power between the present and previous samples is evaluated. Based on the PO decision rules, the duty cycle is either increased or decreased to move the PV operating point toward the maximum power point. The generated duty cycle is sent to a PWM generator, which produces switching pulses for the MOSFET in the flyback converter. The flyback converter is designed using standard equations to determine the values of capacitance, primary inductance, and secondary inductance. In this system, the switching frequency is fixed at 4 kHz and the output voltage is maintained around 36 V. During simulation, the irradiation is varied from 1000 to 800, 600, and 400 M2. The results show that the PV voltage remains nearly constant while the current and power vary with irradiation. Thus, the POMPPT successfully enables maximum power extraction and efficient power transfer to the load.